Hi friends, welcome to my Simple Indian Recipes. In this video we'll see the recipe to make spicy, tangy and tasty amla pickle. This is a traditional recipe for making the amla pickle. This is my mother's recipe. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and press the notification bell for more such videos. Now let us quickly get started. For this recipe I have taken about 15 to 20 amlas. It makes for more than half a kg of amla. So the first step is to wash all of these amlas and wipe them with a dry clean cloth. Make sure that there is no water. Always make sure that while pickling there is no water because water reduces the shelf life of the pickle. We'll let it dry for 30 minutes to 1 hour after wiping them. Now I am crushing each of these amla and I am separating them as you see. This is done so that the salt mixes evenly. Crushing the amla ensures that the salt mixes evenly with the amla. For this quantity of amla, I have taken about quarter cup of salt. Now we will add the salt little by little and we will keep mixing the amla. If you are making for more quantity, make sure that you increase the quantities of all the ingredients which you have used. Now I have added all the salt and I have mixed it with the amla evenly. Now we will close it with the lid and we'll keep it overnight. Make sure that there is some air circulation, don't close it completely. Now for the spice mix for the pickle, I have taken 4 teaspoons of jeera, 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. We will dry roast them on the low to medium flames. First I am dry roasting the jeera. Just dry roast them on low to medium flame for about a minute. Now you can see that the jeera is roasted well. Now we will transfer it to a plate. Now we are dry roasting the methi seeds. I have taken 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Always make sure that the flame is between low to medium, otherwise the jeera and the methi seeds might burn off. Now transfer this to the same plate. Now we have taken 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Dry roast them on low to medium flame. Once the mustard starts to pop, just switch off the flame and transfer it to the plate. Now transfer this mixture to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder. Now you can see that we have powdered it finely. You can see that the amla which we had kept overnight, the salt has mixed evenly with the amla. Now the final step after making the spice mix for the amla is to make the tadka. So for this I have taken 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, some curry leaves, some dry red chilies, about 4 to 5 teaspoons of red chili powder, about 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt because we have already added salt, about quarter cup of oil, some hing or asafoetida. Salt you can add as per the taste. Now first to the pan I am adding a quarter cup of oil. You can increase or reduce the quantity of oil. Actually oil acts as a preservative for pickling. So initially I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard starts to pop, I am adding some asafoetida or hing. Now let us add the curry leaves. Be careful, it might splutter. Now I am adding the dry red chilies. We'll switch off the flame and let the mixture cool for a minute or two. Now after 2 minutes I am adding a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. The oil has cooled, otherwise the spices might burn. So now I am adding 4 teaspoons of red chili powder. Now I am adding the spice mix which we had made of jeera, mustard seeds and methi seeds. By seeing the quantity, I am adding approximately 3 tablespoons of this spice mix. You can use the same spice mix for making the pickle again. Now I am adding the amla which we had kept overnight. I will not add the water. I am just adding the amla. I will discard the water. We will add it to the spice mix. Now I have added all the amla and I have discarded the extra water. Now we will mix it evenly with the spice mix. Now you can see that we have mixed it evenly with the spice mix. You can keep this in sun for 1 or 2 days. While keeping it in sun, you just make sure that you don't close it completely. There is some air circulation. Now after 1 or 2 days, you can just take it and store it in a glass jar, and you can have it for a month or so. This makes for a very spicy, tangy and tasty amla pickle. Do try this recipe. Do subscribe my channel. Press the notification bell. Like, share and comment for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.